girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Dollar Tree makeup challenge. For this challenge, I went to 3 different Dollar Tree stores in my area, and I was very surprised to find brands like e.l.f. and Wet n Wild along with other brands that Dollar Tree normally carries. In total, I spent less than $15 on these makeup products. I've never tried any of these products before, so I am going to be trying them out for the first time, and I'm going to be letting you know my honest opinion and thoughts about these makeup products. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have nothing on my face right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the foundation. This is by LA Colors in the shade Natural, and I am going to be using the Sassy Chic Beauty Blender, which they also sell in Dollar Tree. The first thing that I noticed about this foundation was that it was not going anywhere. It was literally just sitting on top of my skin, and the shade was actually not that bad. I did notice that you did have to build it up in order to get coverage. The second thing that I noticed about it was that it was super blotchy, and the more that I tried to fix it or blend it, it just kept on getting worse. Okay, I think that's the best I'm going to be able to do with this foundation. It's just not working out. Okay, so this foundation is no bueno. Okay, so to set the foundation, I did find this product right here. And it does come with this little powder and bronzer. And I also found this product right here, which is by e.l.f. And this is the Flawless Face Powder. And they only had the color Ivory. So this product actually comes with its own applicator, which is this little sponge right here. It is not the best sponge, but it does do the job. The color of this product was really light for me, but it was okay. It does have a little bit of coverage, and it does keep the face from looking oily throughout the day. For contour, I got this one by LA Colors in the shade Tan. I was honestly expecting for the color to show up a lot darker, but it was actually very natural, and I was very happy that I was able to build it up. The consistency of this is very creamy, but with this foundation, I don't know, I just thought it was really hard blending it out. But if you use a better foundation, I'm sure it will be a lot easier. Next, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. blush in the color Shy. This is a very creamy, natural color, and it was pretty easy to blend out. I like that it has some glowiness to it, and it just makes you look very healthy. For highlight, I'm going to be using this Shimmery Facial Whip by e.l.f. in the shade Lilac Petal. And guys, let me just say that I'm so glad that I found this. It is so beautiful, and the fact that you can purchase this for only $1 just blows my mind. It is super pigmented, as you guys can see, and I feel like it didn't really do a good job with this foundation. Again, if you use a better foundation, I feel like it'll be 10 times better. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Colormates Brow and Eyeliner pencils in the shade Black Brown, and this is where it all goes downhill, guys. First of all, let me just say that I'm not used to using pencils to fill in my brows, and these ones were really dark, and they had a lot of pigmentation, and I felt like as much as I tried to fix them and blend them, it was just getting worse, and I just kept on making them thicker and darker, which is not what I wanted. And I don't know, like, I just feel like I just created a big mess. I got the 6th shade eyeshadow palette from LA Colors, and I'm going to be showing you some swatches just so that you can see the actual formula of this product. So these are the 3 colors that are on the top row. And these are the 3 colors that are on the bottom row. I first started using this brown color, and I used the little eyeshadow sponge stick that the product actually comes with, and let me just say that I do not like this sponge stick at all. I'd much rather use a brush. It is so much easier. The second color that I applied was like a rosy pinkish color, and I thought that it looked very similar to the color that I had put on previously, and I wanted it to be a little bit darker, so I ended up going with that purple color, and I applied it with my fingers, but I did not end up liking it, so I tried to fix it with the white. For eyeliner, I used the same pencil that I used on my brows because it was supposed to be like an eyebrow eyeliner pencil, but it did not have any pigmentation on the actual waterline. For mascara, I got this one by e.l.f. and it was definitely the product that I was most disappointed in. And it was so dried up, I did not even bother applying it on. And do not even get me started with the brush, I'll just let you see for yourself. For the lips, I'm using this lipstick by e.l.f. in the shade Party in the Buff. It claims to be really moisturizing, and it totally is, and I really like the packaging too. So from all of the products, the only ones that I really liked or thought they were okay were the Beauty Blender, the blush, the Shermine Facial Whip, and the lipstick. I am going to be leaving all the names and the brands of the products that I used down in the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.